man, right? When name the brown youth man, you remember him name? Brown Indian youth man, and slim brown Indian youth man, they give me a link man at the time.
Hear it for yourself then.
Yeah, for the hour.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you don't say nothing. What you say go on now?
Yeah, me I say when they bring the coach got a post a place to me.
The coach?
Yeah.
How old is? Are the police you out this?
Yeah, bro.
You're a bad man. I be a trouble me and I ain't a bad man. Right now, I'm not a eh?
What kind of trouble you?
How go on?
Me I ask you what kind of trouble you in.
Not tell yourself, I'll truck them take away in a bad man.
Take away the truck for?
You don't want to talk about take away my truck for. Them have me think on camera and everything, bad man.
So they take away the truck for?
Oh, me if you know, police come take away the truck and all type of things.
Oh boy. That's why I'm short, you know. That's why I'm short, because them show me the thing that all over the internet, brother, but me link yesterday.
Yeah, but me need to know where I go on.
Yeah?
Me need to know where I go on, bad man. You give me a work and me do a work and me done it. Me carry from where me carry to where. And then I be other thing. Me need to know where I go on, bad man. Kinda like some, like me know you're involved in or nothing. Me need to know where I go on, you know, me G.
They are investigating me for somebody that was seen at my apartment, my girlfriend. Not even go to somebody. That's the whole reason. Is it? So I just pick me the way pick up at my couch, is it? Or the upholster place, but
me for pick up at the couch at upholster place. Which upholster place?
Alright, I don't know why I talk to me, so probably yeah, them already convinced you or whatever. So me talk to you.
Convince me about what?
Come been a call you now answer your phone.
You call me this morning.
Yeah.
And me just get up, some never know who. Me ask her who, and then the phone just hang up.
So where them take away your truck for? Where them take away your truck for?
If me want know.
So why you not show me if them take away your vehicle?
How me for show to me not have your number?
So where you know?
Yo, me there on the yard, brother.
Alright. Look at me.
Yeah, so we need to know where this thing about. We need to know where this thing about, bad man. Yeah, me don't want nobody involve me in a no farmer thing, see? Cause you can't, me a big man and you see how hard me work. Me I do my work, and me do my work, and that's all me do, and you pay me. Me and you, see? This thing now like it a get out of hand, bad man. See, cause
get out of hand with what? That's why I ask you with what? With what?
Cause me don't have no clue when me see police come, take on me truck. And say them want it for do.
For do what?
Like you da check pan something pan it. Forensic or whatever.
Yeah.
Remember, so me have sense. Me I wonder what I go on, so me get to understand so myself person missing. And when I hear these things now, you know, by over the media and saying I get to understand, say I saw them get to see my truck and all of them something there, you know. I said, I can't believe this.
Yeah, but there's a camera there. They're gonna just investigate everything, Papa. That's why I call you. They ask you to come deal with this truck. Remember?
Hello?
Yeah, them tell you this station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it?
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry it go half a tree and then them not carry it go half a tree. Them carry it go up like you go Papine way.
I forgot to ask the DSP were investigating.
Yeah. Alright. So watch out.
Yeah?
Me not have nobody not give me nothing. I have no contact or say nothing to me about the truck. Them just take it so. Take the truck key and everything. Me papers them. Papers them are work on so they never get to get that.
So them take a papers then?
No, them are ask the papers, but it do something.
Alright, I'm supposed to see the DSP in a few, so I'm going to find out about.
There is more, Jamaica. There is more. But Noel, why did you contract a truck driver to remove the couch from your apartment? Did your couch need a cleaning, or did it need to be repaired? Or were you doing new work to the couch? What were you doing to the couch? Noel, why did you employ this gentleman? Why did you employ this gentleman, Mr. Maitland? Is that your voice in the voice note, Mr. Maitland? Mr. Maitland, where on Hagley Park Road was the couch delivered? Mr. Maitland, where on Hagley Park Road was the couch delivered? Where on Hagley Park Road? Mr. Maitland, isn't that your voice? You said, all I know is you is when you said there's an investigation happening into your missing girlfriend. You said it, Mr. Maitland. So, Mr. Maitland, why, oh Lord, the answers are coming. So, Mr. Maitland, why? Or Mr. Maitland, were you speaking in code? Were you speaking in a code? Was the couch that you're speaking of? Was the couch Donnalee? Was the coach Donnalee? Mr. Maitland, the coach. What is the significance of the coach? Can you say if the coach that you're speaking of you talking to the man, Mr. Maitland, isn't that your voice inquiring about the coach? Maitland, what's the significance of the coach? Is it that you cut out the coach and in the belly of the coach there is a body? Or was it a case that you're speaking in parables? The man don't know you. The man don't know you, Mr. Maitland. So is it a case that the belly of the coach was ripped out? Was Donnalee's body placed in the coach? But there is another thing. Maitland, you said something and it startles me. Go to the upholstery place. Is that another code? Because when the man said which upholstery place, the man apparently don't know upholstery place. The man apparently don't know the upholstery place. Which upholstery place? Which upholstery place? Which upholstery place, Mr. Maitland? From my understanding and the intelligence that I received, it wasn't an upholstery place. It was a car wash that does detailing. That does detailing. So I want to know, Mr. Maitland, which upholstery place? Which upholstery place? And I'm going to say to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, you know the gentleman in the voice note. Protect him at all cost. If anything happens to the truck driver, I'm going to expose more. If anything happens to the truck driver, I'll say it again, Jamaica, I will expose more. You want to hear more? Jamaica, I don't think the world is ready to hear this part.
Hello?
Yeah, them tell you which station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry it go half a tree and then them not carry it go half a tree. Them carry it go up like you go pop key in here.
Probably for the ox, the DSP were investigating.
Wait there.
Yeah. Alright.
I'm going to hear that part.
So watch out.
Yeah?
Me not have.
I want to hear that part there again.
Hello?
No, well, say I'm going to talk to the DSP.
Station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry it go half a tree and then them not carry it go half a tree. Them carry it go up like you go pop key in here.
Probably for the ox, the DSP were investigating.
You hear that? You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright. So watch out.
Yeah?
Uni hear what Noel say? Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now let me fix my turban right. When I hope you're awake. Somebody call Wayne for me there. Ha. Wayne! Lord Jesus. Only hear what the man say? Noel say, he ma go talk to the DSP pan the case. It not safe yet. Oh, Noel, he say, so Noel has privilege to talk to the DSP on the case. How Noel can say Jamaica? When wake up as me rap me. Jesus, the case act. Only see how the police force dirty, right? Only see how the police force dirty Jamaica. Me a go make una hear what the man say again. This part, you know, is serious.
Hello?
Yeah, them tell you which station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry it go half a tree and then them not carry it go half a tree. Them carry it go up like you go pop key in here.
Probably forgot to ask the DSP were investigating.
Yeah.
Only hear.
Alright.
Only hear him
So
say.
watch out.
Yeah?
I'll not me not have nobody not give me nothing. I'll not contact or say nothing to me about the truck. Then just take it so. Take the truck key and everything. Me papers them. Papers them I work on so they never get that.
So them take a papers them?
No, them I ask the papers, but it I do something.
Alright, I'm supposed to see the DSP in a few, so I'm going to find out about it. I not even know if it's asking about that either. I just hear me here, so them take a vehicle and so I'm and get that.
John Star.
My God.
Now how long ago you said them take a vehicle?
Yesterday, Batman.
Yesterday.
Right? And my vehicle broke down and they are my yard and then find me yard, my address, everything.
Yeah, because your father and my house, that's right. They might investigate every single thing. So that's the whole reason.
One of them even look for me and say, now you chop this. I'm look, I say I might chop. I couldn't tell him no. So I say, yeah. And I'm ask me.
There's more, you know.
Call ended. Call ended.
Hello.
Andre,
Uh-huh.
let me hold the spot till Wayne come.
We're
What
not.
a terrible thing.
There is a lot more. Just let me end the call. I'm going to reveal a little bit more.
Okay, go ahead.
Jamaica. How much of you are on the live now? How much of you are on the live now?
if me know this, me say, me don't know what I talk about. Me can't answer to what me don't know. Me need to understand what I question me about.
You're not forgetting the details as to what the investigator asked, because that's a for them thing. But me just apologize to you about the whole thing, isn't it?
I know strong. And I'm going to tell you, I learn since me come out, me realize me have to what if I think on the Facebook and Instagram. Me have to say, where this? Why me? I know strong. Me just need back my vehicle still. You see me?
As I said to you, when them finish do them thing, them will give back a vehicle. Them now go take a vehicle and them have the reason for the vehicle. Or I'm going to give back a vehicle. You get me?
That's all I know.
I'll give back a vehicle. Sorry, there's no call to tell you sorry about that. I hear a second show, man, I show more going.
Me not even have phone number, you know, cause let me tell you, and I like as somebody when me work it, you know. Them everybody come there and also them work on other truck.
Yeah, seems to me yesterday and I tell me say, yo, XYZ. So I say, what? So I so come now, him give me back a number, because I never have a number. And I say, I'm show it you. As I say, sorry about that, my G. As soon as I'm finished with the vehicle, I'm going to give back a vehicle.
Yeah, man.
So, we started it now.
You don't one bad man.
Alright. Alright then.
Yeah.
Who is the investigating? Who is the lead investigator? The DSP. DSP Fix Bailey. DSP Fix Bailey. DSP Fix Bailey. So you're in communication. You're in communication with Noel Maitland. DSP Fix Bailey. You are in communication with Noel Maitland. You came out Monday leading the investigation. And Noel Maitland is confirming to the gentleman that you, I don't know, is it you? Who is the lead investigator on this case? DSP Hunt or DSP Fix Bailey? Who is the lead investigator on the case? Noel says that he's going to be in conversation to know where the truck is. He said, Jamaica, he is going to find out where the truck is. He's going to talk to the DSP about it. Because he'll soon have a conversation with the DSP. It's him saying, you know. It's him saying, you know. It's not Fix Bailey, it's DSP Hunt. Our Assistant Commissioner Bailey. ASP. Commissioner of Police, I am asking that the investigating officers on this case be removed with immediate effect. I am asking for the integrity of this case to keep sterile, to keep clean. I am asking that every member of the team, Bailey, Hunt, all of them who are a part of the investigation, be removed